My name's Greg Shapiro. I'm the Consumer Insights and Rewards Manager at Hornblower. Hornblower is a global operator of experiences and transportation. We operate the New York City ferry system, the Alcatraz ferries, and the Statue of Liberty ferry. If you visit Niagara Falls on the Canada side, you're on one of our ferries as well. Dinner cruises, sightseeing cruises throughout the country, a walking tour company. Anyone who goes on any of our experiences completes a survey, and it's my job to analyze that data and use it to make improvements in the guest experience. Each of our ports really operate as their own businesses in a way, and I think SurveyMonkey makes it possible for those managers of each port to access the data on their terms. In all of our surveys, the first question that we ask is for the Net Promoter Score. The SurveyMonkey Salesforce integration allows us to create detractor alerts. So if somebody gives us a low NPS score, we can automatically create a case in Salesforce that our customer service team can follow up with. The survey is the source of truth. It's that first touch point that the customers get when they finish an experience with us, and it's the information that we need to make sure that they keep coming back. My role is to bring the voice of the customer to stakeholders throughout the organization, and SurveyMonkey makes that possible.